This is describing the morning pastimes, Nishanta Leela of Radha and Krishna. They're sleeping in their bed, Radha and Krishna. That beautiful setting in which they are sleeping in, that the Sakhis have decorated so beautifully. Srila Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami in Govinda Lilamrita and Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami in Krishna Bhavanamrita, he's described so beautiful how their bed is so beautifully decorated. So soft, just like the foam on the milk, surface of the milk. It is described as soft as that foam on the surface of milk. How that bed has been described. Dugdha Feni. When you milk the cow and then the milk comes out and the foam forms on the surface of the milk. The bed of Krishna and Radha are described as like that. Why? The Sakhis are thinking. So the Sakhis are thinking that the divine body of the divine couple should be as comfortable as possible and that they don't feel any pain. So the bed should be soft and they're both embracing each other. And they're in deep sleep. At that time, Vrinda Devi, she instructs this Manju Bhasini, Sarika. They are waking them up in this way. Jagrihi talpam tajasosi kalpam prittanukulam chitavojamulam bodhaya kantam ratibharatantam. He Gokula Bandhu, oh Gokula Bandhu, oh Rasik Sindhu. May you be victorious, may you be victorious. Please wake up. She's saying. Please wake up and come off your bed. Renounce your bed. This means Sashikalpa Talpa, like as white as the moon. Seja means the bed is as white as the moon rays and white. Please come off your bed. That embrace that you are in, with your two arms, you have taken shelter within.
और ये भी मैं समझती हूँ, ये सारिका कारी रोटी भर तंताम, प्रेम प्रति के अनुसार एक दूसरे की प्रति प्रगाढ़ अनुराग होने से
By their deep affection for each other, one Srimati Radhika does not want to leave Krishna.
अपने कांत के जो है, कृष्ण के जो है थोड़ा आश्वासन दो, प्रबोधित करो। प्रबोधित करो माने
Sarikari is encouraging Srimati Radhika to wake Krishna up. The daylight is coming, morning is coming. This Sarika,
के नाम
Manju Bhasini. Oh, like Suk, sorry, the Sarika is a bird, is a parrot. Suk is the male bird, parrot, and the Sarika is the female parrot. Sari.
So the Sarika's name
is Manju Bahasini. The Sarika, the female parrot's name is Manju Bahasini, one who speaks very sweet and gentle and melodiously.
That is called
Manju Bahasini.
Manju means very sweet and soft words, and with melody words.
Melodious.
For this regard, Manju Bhasini. So, here he says, Roti Bhari Kanta, इसको जागृत करो, जगाओ अपने
Please,
प्राण प्रियतम गोविंद की,
please wake up your beloved Krishna.
जय रस सिंधु, हे गोकुल बंधु, आप तो गोकुल के जो है मित्र हो.
You are the friend of Gokul. You are glorious to the ocean of divine mellows.
Krishna is called
the ocean of divine mellows. Divine mellows. Love.
प्रभातम मातायो अशेष घोषम स्नात नेत्र भ्रमरारविंदम गरिष्ठ भूयिष्ठ विशिष्ट निष्ठम गुष्ठं प्रतिष्ठस्य दविष्टमिष्टम. और फिर कृष्ण अनुराग युक्त सुख किस प्रकार ग्लोरिफिकेशन कर ले.
This female parrot absorbed in Krishna is describing
Gorishta bhuishta Vishishta nistam Gushtam pravishtasya Davistamistam. Now, अभी सुख बोले.
Now the male parrot is speaking.
Male parrot क्या बोल रहे?
What is he saying?
Male parrot की क्या नाम है?
What's his name? Vichakan.
Male parrot के name
Vichakan.
Female parrot के name
Manju Bhasini. Manju Bhasini.
Now male parrot is saying, what is saying? प्रभात आताय अशेष घोषम कृष्णार्थ नेत्र भ्रमरारविंद गोरीष्ट भूयिष्ट विशिष्ट निष्ठम गुष्ठं प्रतिष्ठत्स दविष्टमिष्टम कहने लगे हे गोविंद
Oh Govinda, he's saying,
देखो
see,
प्रातः काल
in the early morning,
यानी पूर्व दिशा उजाला होने
the
के बाद
eastern direction,
ब्रजवासी
the sun is rising. The Brajavasis,
गृह छोड़ करके
they're leaving their homes
बाहर
and coming out.
आ रहे हैं इसलिए
For this reason,
इस निकुंज सदन को जो है
in this secluded place,
अर्थात
you must come out from your sleep.
आपकी ऐसे सुंदर जो नयन जो है
Your beautiful eyebrows, Bringa means bee.
कमल के ऊपर मड़मड़ा रहे हैं
Your beautiful eyebrows, as like a bumblebee on the lotus flower, humming, buzzing around,
जिस प्रकार भौरे लगती
just like the black bee,
कमल के ऊपर जैसे मड़मड़ाते हैं
buzzes around the lotus flower. In the same way,
ऐसे सुंदर
you're beautiful, your eyes,
और रिंग के भांति
like a bumblebee, a black bumblebee,
राधा की
is
मुख कमल पर
around her face, is buzzing around Srimati Radhika's face. It's been described Krishna's eyes as bumblebee and Srimati Radhika's face as a very blossomed, fragrant lotus flower.
हे गोविंद
Oh Govinda,
उठो
wake up.
प्रभात हो गया
The moon, the sun has arisen. In the eastern direction, about to rise. Dawn is coming.
about to
Rise, dawn.
प्रभात काल
The dawn is coming.
जो उठने के पहले जो
Dawn, morning. Dusk is night.
इसमें करें देखो प्रभात हो चुका है पूर्व दिशा
In the eastern direction is becoming
और
lighter,
विशेष करके गुरुजन
and particularly our elders
और आपकी आत्मीय स्वजन जो है
and our
परिवार की जन
relatives,
अर्थात ब्रजवासी जन
the Brajavasis,
बाहर
they are coming out from their homes.
इसलिए
For this reason,
आप दोनों
you, both of
शैया
you,
त्याग करके
please give up your sleep,
शैया त्याग करके
give up your bed,
अपने अपने गृह में
please,
आप जाएं
please go to your respective homes.
अर्थात अपने अपने कुष्ठ
In
मंदिर में
other words,
प्रवेश करो जाओ
please go to your home.
नहीं तो वह ब्रजवासी लोग आपकी
Otherwise, the Brajavasis will
आकर के यहाँ पर
see
आप
you.
दोनों की जो है मिलन के देख
They will see you both together,
आप लोग
by which you will become ashamed.
इनका गरिष्ठ भूयिष्ठ विशिष्ट निष्ठम गोष्ठम प्रति प्रतिष्ठस्थ दलिष्ठ निष्ठम इसलिए आप दोनों
For this reason,
उठिए
please wake up,
और अपने
leave your
अपने गृह में जाकर के
bed and go to your homes.
विश्राम कीजिए
Rest there.
फिर पुनः
Then again,
मंजू भासिनी
Manjubhasini,
फिर अर्थात वो सूक्ष्मधी
that female parrot,
निद्रांजहि वियते निकुंज सज्जन वासं प्रजाहि सखिनालसतं प्रजाहि कान्तं च बोधय नवोदयं लोकनलज्जं कालोचितांहि कृतिन उन्नयन्ति। बहुत सुंदर श्लोक।
very nice sloka.
निद्रांजहि विजहि निकुंज सज्जन मंजुभासिनी
Manjubhasini,
मधुर स्वर से
in a very melodious voice,
गोविंद की वह निद्रा
she
से उठाने लगी।
tried to wake up the divine couple with very sweet words.
देखो अपराजित चीज जगत में
In this transcendental realm,
पक्षी आदि भी
even the birds, how
राधा गोविंद की भी
they are
इस प्रकार सेवा ही करते
serving Radha and Govinda.
क्या बोले निद्राजहि विजहि निकुंज सज्जन। ये सखी
Oh Sakhi,
आप अवश्य परित्याग करो।
please
फिर
give up your bed
काल में
in this early morning,
होने के नाते
or in the night, due to tiredness, fatigue
समझता है। फिर
from the rest and the previous night. They cannot open their eyes,
खोल नहीं पा रहे। एक दूसरे के इतने
seeing each other, their embrace,
काम करे सो रही है।
this in deep, tight embrace,
सुंदर ही है। फिर ये सुख और सारी
this Sukh and Sari,
चक्कन और
Vichakhan and Manjubhasini,
बोल रही तो कथा तो
they're speaking. They can hear them,
क्लांत होने के
but
नाते
because of being so tired, they're unable to open their eyes.
और दूसरी बात ये
And
दूसरी की जो है छोड़ना नहीं चाहती।
they don't want to leave each other.
बिछोड़ होने के डर से भय से
The fear of being separated.
एक दूसरे के इतने कस करके आलिंगन करके
They are tightly embracing each other. So much
और
so,
उसको देख करके यह मंजुभासिनी
seeing which
सूक्ष्मधी
मंजुभासिनी
है। इनके नाम क्या है? सूक्ष्मधी।
Sukshmadhi, another parrot,
सूक्ष्मधी नामनी सारिका।
another female parrot. Many male parrots, many female parrots.
एक होता है मंजुभासिनी
One is Manjubhasini, Vishak,
और दूसरे बताया कौन सा?
Vikakshan,
विचक्षण
Vichakhan,
है।
Vichakhan,
सुख होता है।
male parrot, and another female parrot,
मंजुभासिनी इसके नाम है सूक्ष्मधी।
Shukshmadhi.
ये सूक्ष्मधी नामनी सारिका
Sukshmadhi began to say,
निद्रां जहिहि। अब लोग निद्रा को त्याग दो।
please give up your sleep, wake up.
निद्रां जहिहि विजहि निकुंज सज्जन। ये निकुंज सदन में जो शैया जो है
In this bed, give up this bed. Give up your tiredness, your laziness. Wake up your beloved. Wake up yourself and wake up your beloved.
और निकुंज परित्याग करके अपने अपने गृह में गमन करो। लोक लज्जा की अवसर मत दो, क्योंकि आप सोते रहे तो ब्रजवासी लोग आकर के कहीं आप दोनों के इस प्रकार
If the Brajbasis see you like this, you will become shy and ashamed.
कोई और कोई भावना कुछ होगा
And in the minds of the Brajbasis, they will think something else.
लोक लज्जा लोक लज्जा आदि अवसर प्रदान मत करो
And don't invite criticism from the others.
कृति माने पंडित लोग जो है
The learned persons, the learned persons,
बुद्धिमान लोग क्या करते हैं
what do they do?
सारे कर्मों को जो है करते हैं
They work according to the particular time and circumstance. In the morning, what should they do? What should you do in the morning? You should worship the Lord in Brahma Muhurta, waking up. When the sun rises, then you should do your housework. Then, when it's night, you should again worship the Lord, like Sandhya. We have 3 divisions in the day. Sandhya means 2 things. One is when you chant your mantras, this is called Sandhya. When you do your anik, it's called worshipping your Ishtadev, your worshipable deity. If they have not chanted their Sandhya Vandana, that means you haven't done your mantras, your anik. In Shastras, it is written that you should do your mantras 3 times, the Gayatri mantras, etc. One is during the Brahma Muhurta, the second is the afternoon, 12 o'clock, and the third at night time, after sunset. This is called Trisandhya Vidhi. And in Shastra scriptures it is said, then we should bathe 3 times. In the morning, during Brahma Muhurta, then you do your anik. Then in the afternoon, you should bathe and do your anik. And at night, after sunset, should bathe and do your anik. This is called Trisandhya. And another meaning of Sandhya, to join. The meeting of the darkness and the coming of day and the disappearance of night is called Sandhya. Sandhi means Sandhya is made. The word Sandhya comes from the word Sandhi, with the end of night and the beginning of day. That time in between the two, it's called Sandhya. Like we say in Nishingadev, Hiranyakashipu, you cannot kill me. Brahmaji has given me a benediction. I cannot be killed at night or in the day. So what did Nishingadev say? He said, it's not night, it's not day. Sandhya. Sandhik is the point of Sandhik, not Sandhikshan, not and it's the end of or the end of the day and the beginning of night. This is called Sandhya. Dusk, dawn, dawn and dusk. So, at those who are learned, wise, intelligent, they work according to the particular time of day as to when one should chant one's mantras, when one should worship the Lord at this precise time of Sandhya Vandana. Mahaprabhu said many times, if you don't do your tilak, if you chant your mantras without doing tilak, then your mantras bandha, then it becomes a bandha, bound by, failed, nasht. Bandha means bandha means the woman who cannot bear a child. Barren woman, a woman that cannot give birth. A woman that cannot give birth to a child. Bandha is called a woman that cannot give birth to a child. Englishman. So if we do our mantras without doing tilak, then we do not get the fruits. A barren. We should try and understand this. A barren woman, bandha, it's called bandha. Sterile. In English, a sterile woman. Infertile, not fertile. So, bandha. It means that you do not get the fruit. The followers of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came to his class. He saw that on some of the boys they did not wear tilak. This is in the Srimad Bhagavad. Chaitanya Bhagavad. So they haven't. He asked, "Did you not chant your mantras?" The child said, "Yes, I did." So why is there no tilak on your face? How could you have chanted your mantras? So Mahaprabhu is saying himself, if you do not put tilak on and chant your mantras, that will not give fruit, will go to waste or will not bear fruit. Fruitless. For this reason, the scriptures say we should wear tilak. Then you will get the fruits of chanting the mantra. You cannot do mantras just like the injunctions of doing your mantras is there. And when? At the time of these injunctions. Meaning? Two meanings. At the meeting of these two Sandhya, the meeting of the two junctions of the day, the three junctions of the day, when night is coming and the day has gone. Night. Sandikshan. In Bengal there is one puja called Sandhi Puja. Worship of the demigoddess. It's called Sandhi Puja. In the scriptures it is described. The night is coming and the day is gone. That time, that's called Sandhi Puja. दोपहर में भी संधि होता है. संधि दोपहर का संधि होता है. The day in the afternoon is also Sandhi. The morning, afternoon,
morning to
afternoon,
उसे नून कहा जाता है
noon,
Morning
afternoon, to noon,
afternoon और middle noon
noon.
भाई सब जगह में इंग्लिश में है सेम इसमें कहा
It's described like this in English.
है
Noon,
इसमें क्या है
12. In Sanskrit is Madhyana Kal.
मध्याह्न लीला
Hmm.
राधा कृष्ण के सबसे बड़ी
And,
लीला कौन है
and Radha Krishna's best pastimes are in the afternoon.
गोविंद लीला में इधर
In Govinda Lilamrita Granth is described. Hmm. And Godhuli,
मिट्टी का
midday,
लंच होता है ना
lunch. Best.
देखो हम लोग के सब इसी प्रकार है प्रातः काल में भोग लगाते हैं
When we offer like this in the morning, then in the afternoon, midday bhog offering. After performing, grazing the cows, they're tired. After leaving the home at 6 o'clock in the morning, they take on some makhan, butter. When Krishna goes to herding the cows, there are some rules. When he goes, it is all been described. They go with some butter, makhan. What do we offer in the morning? Makhan mishri. This is our rule in the Gaudiya Math. As soon as the Lord wakes up, then we give them sugar and butter. I used to do this when I was in the mutt. We wake up Thakurji, and then waking them up, then at the same time we give them makhan bhog, makhan mishri. Some makhan mishri is sugar. Thakurji is hungry from the night. Makhan mishri. After brushing your teeth, washing your mouth, then you do Mangalarti. Then after that, we offer again. Give breakfast. It's not so easy to look after Thakurji, serve Thakurji. We see very few in the Western country. Prabhuji, he does. He does. You have to keep.
Butter भी रह सकते हैं. Butter and मिश्री.
Makhan mishri. Thakur. Whatever you have in the West. Wherever you are, according to the circumstances, you should do. Whichever country you are in. If you behave like in Braj, wearing one cloth around your waist, and you're in the Western countries where it's so cold, you will die the next day. Where's? As you are, in which country you are, that's way you should behave, dress. Yeah, you understand? If you're in the Western countries, you can't act like you're in India. You can't wear the same clothes in India as you do here, and do your puja because the climate is not allowing you to do. Your body will not survive. When we come to UP, Uttar Pradesh, Braj, if you eat roti 3 times a day, nothing happens. If you buy Bengal, you eat 3 times roti, you will stomach upset. Pet kharab. Your stomach will be upset. That's why they eat rice in Bengal. What we see is being offered or is in certain regions of different countries according suitable to that climate
और क्लाइमेट के अनुसार
and according to your body.
हैं? आप यूपी में आकर के
If you come to UP, Uttar Pradesh,
ये 3 बार चावल खाते हैं,
if you eat rice 3 times a day, you'll be sick.
और उसमें ठंडी होता है उत्तर
Ch-
प्रदेश में ठंडी होता है
It's cold in rice. If it's cold in Uttar Pradesh, if you eat rice in the cold, you'll be sick.
हैं? इसलिए कहते हैं जैसे देश
So,
ऐसे देश।
Vish. So it is said, as it is in that country, do as the Romans do.
हैं?
In English.
और यदि
In
हम
England, there is no.
सनातन के भांति प्रचार
No, I will stay in London like Rupan Sanatan stayed in Vrindavan. I will wear just very little cloth.
आप राखो
If you try that, the next day you will be in hospital the next day, and the third day you would die.
हैं? अब बात ये सही है कि नहीं?
True.
इंग्लैंड में रहना था आपको उसी
If you live in England, you have to wear the clothes accordingly to that climate.
भाई बात सही है इसलिए कहता है जैसे देश
As वैसे वेश.
ऐसे भोजन भी हमें करना पड़ेगा शुद्ध शक्ति का हाथ पे करना है
You have to keep your vows of regulative principles. We're not saying that you should drink.
शरीर के अनुकूल
You should stay in the mode of goodness
उस प्रकार वस्त्र धारण करो भक्तियों
and wear clothes in the mode of goodness. Bhaktivinoda Thakur has said in Chaitanya Charitamrita Shikshamrit,
जिसके हमारे शरीर के अनुकूल
which is favorable to our body,
आदि करें
food and clothing.
आज समझ तो उसी प्रकार चलो
In that way, Sukhosari, Sukhari,
मध्याह्न काल तीन
the
तरह हो गया।
3 divisions of the day.
एक है क्या
Subha,
निशांत काल
Nishanta Kal,
और दूसरी है
Madhyan Kal, and
तीसरी
Sayan Kal at night.
हम इसे करें मंत्र जप
So
कैसे करें?
when we should chant our mantras,
मंत्र जप की एक विधि का है
there is a process, regulation, rules.
इसलिए सूर्य उदय होने के पहले ब्रह्म मुहूर्त में मंत्र
So
जप करना
before the sun rises, you should do your
और
mantras.
दूसरी मंत्र कब जप करना चाहिए
And second,
मध्याह्न काल
at midday, noon,
इंग्लिश में कह रहे हैं मिड डे का है
midday,
डे
noon,
भी नहीं है और
raat,
उसके
midday,
मिड
middle of the day, midday.
है कि नहीं लंच के समय होता है
At lunch, 12 o'clock,
भोग भी लगाते हैं
at that time we also offer to Thakurji.
12 बजे तक
So 11:30 to 12 we should offer.
जगाना कब चाहिए
When we should wake Thakurji up,
उदय होने की
when the sun, just before the sun rises, we should wake Thakurji up. This is all stipulated. At that time we should chant our mantras, Gayatri mantras. And you have to wake up first yourself, of course. Otherwise, how will you wake up the Lord? If you sleep till 11, how could you wake up Thakurji?
ठाकुर जी को कितना बजे तक जगाते रहते?
Sunrise, 1 hour 36 minutes before sunrise. Within this period of time, we should wake up Thakurji, and this period is called Brahma Muhurta. Vananatha Shakshat Seva Yalabhe Janashantariva.
तो ब्रह्म मुहूर्त में हम लोग आ नहीं सकते।
आप आ नहीं सके
Whether you can come or not come, this is not my subject. Whether you can do or not, we have to act according to the rules and regulations of scriptures. It is up to you whether you can do or not. But the scriptures have stipulated and said, you drive your car on which side of the road? On the left side in this country. The right side, if you want to drive in the right side, because in Europe they drive on the right, something
फ्रांस में राइट साइड में चलाते हैं।
Yeah, in France, they
आप यहाँ आकर
drive on the right, and you come here and you want to drive on that side, you'll be in trouble. I can't drive on the left, you say. It will not work. The rules are the rules. If you cannot drive, that's your problem.
पुलिस आपके पकड़े,
The police will catch you.
आप कहेंगे तो मैं तो
Then you tell him or
जो
them,
है हैबिट है गाड़ी चलाने,
I have a habit of driving on the right hand side.
इधर
It's not
आप
going to work
चला नहीं पा रहे हो।
because I can't drive on the left.
तो ऐसे करने से पुलिस
Do
आपको
you
थोड़ी मानती है।
think the police will believe you?
फाइन करते हो। आपने जो
कारागार में-
राइट साइड में जो गाड़ी चलाया, इसके लिए पुलिस
They'll
आपको
fine
क्या
you.
दंड देंगे।
They'll.
आप कहने से नहीं होगा।
It will not do that. You try to argue with them.
How to solve
Your
how
problem.
to solve your problem.
How
You
to-
solve your problem.
You solve your problem.
अपने प्रॉब्लम को अपने सॉल्व करो। अपना प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नहीं करा करके
If you don't solve your problem, you try to drive the car on the right side, the police will certainly catch you.
आप आ सकते हो नहीं आ सकते हो,
Whether you can do or not do, this is not the question.
हम जो नियम हमको
We are telling you the rules.
सही है नहीं इसके समझो।
Trying to understand.
नियम नहीं पालन करता फल
If
नहीं
you
मिलेगा।
can't follow the rules, then you will not get the fruits.
भक्ति राज्य में भगवान को भी क्या कर देते कंसेशन।
Sometimes the Lord, being merciful, He gives concessions.
इंडिया में किसको हरिनाम
In India,
कहते हैं, उसको 64 माला करना है।
In India, we say you have to chant 64 rounds. In the Western countries, what Swami Maharaj said, okay, just do 16 rounds.
इंडिया में ऐसे नहीं चलेगा।
In India, this will not do.
ये लोग कभी कभी इनके संस्कार ही
They do not have the sanskars, they don't have the impressions
संस्कार दिया गया।
they from
इंडिया में जो
previous.
जन्म से ही सभी जानते हैं।
In India, they know this from their birth.
लोगों को समझाना बहुत कठिन होता है। वो जो समझा समझ के।
It's very.
सब कुछ जानते हैं।
विदेश में कि इंडिया में?
हाँ?
India?
इंडिया जो है
In India,
हजार उसके समझाओ वो कुछ नहीं समझते।
if you try to explain to them in India, they will not listen in India because they're from birth habituated.
विदेश में प्रचार करके जब
Gurudev, when he was preaching in the West in 96, some Brajvasis said, where are you going? 3 months in the year, you've left us here. What have you done? Gurudev said, very nice reply. Gurudev said, 50 years I've stayed here with you. What have you've heard so much Harikatha. Please raise your hand, one person. Who is one-pointed to worshipping Radha and Krishna? One person, raise your hand to say that you are one-pointed to Radha and Krishna. Look how many demigoddesses and demigoddesses are in your house. Have you managed to be one-pointed? No. Taking Ganesh, Durga, Kali, Shiv, Hanuman, everyone. They found any demigod. Even if they find a nice stone, they put on the altar. Yes, or even in the cinema, if there's a nice actress. नहीं कोई in the Ramayana, Ramanand Sagar's Ramayana, and who acted as Lord Ram. They believe that the actors themselves become God, and they put that on the altar and they worship that personality. They don't leave anyone out. They don't want to give pain to anyone. Gurudev, what you're saying is true. We don't want to give any pain to anyone. They're so compassionate. They include everybody on their altar. This is compassionate. So much compassion. If they find a stone that's nice and attractive, they put that on the altar. This is my Thakurji, they say. Kali, Shiv, Durga. And wherever you found, everybody's one, same, equal. Jai Ho, Maharaj. Haribo. Everyone. They put They give mala garlands to everyone. Or Tulsi mala, Rudraksha mala, all types. Kaj,
और सारे
Kaj
व्रत भी करते रहते
and they perform all the vrat, all the fasting days. Gurudev said to them, to the Westerners, only Radha and Krishna. And then they asked Gurudev, what should I do? And Gurudev said, you make an altar in your house, only put Radha and Krishna and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And Gurudev said, all the Westerners, they followed my instructions. They don't have anybody else. Radha Krishna Mahaprabhu. If you put so much, where will you be served? You cannot be one-pointed. You cannot manage. Gurudev in this way is saying, 50 years I've been with you, and you've not left one demigod or demigoddess out, and you follow all the fasting days. In India, they follow all the Brahma. Somvar Mangala, Guruvar, Shanivar, or Monday, Tuesday, every day is the fasting day. Ekadashi, they fast. We don't want to give pain to anyone. We don't want to make anybody feel left out. You have. The older generation particularly, they won't let go of their bad habits. So, in Shastra it is said, who after 60 years old, they will not listen to anything or anyone. They're called Satya, they're stubborn. Anybody over 60, don't try and give them any knowledge when they're over 60. What's happened is happened. You have to do this. Say yes and yes. Yes. Keep saying yes. In the scriptures it is said, after 60 years old, what they're doing from what they've known from the beginning, they've stamped, but they cannot change their ways. Don't try and change anyone, give instructions to anyone who's over 60. If you tell them once they've understood, then that's to their benefit. If they don't listen, then don't try to explain again and again to them. So this Sarika, the female parrot, Shukshmadhi, Vikhana, Shukshmadhi, the female parrot, Kritim Punayanti. No, you'll be alright. They do the seva according to the time, appropriate time. Like we said, waking up in the morning during Brahma Muhurta, do our Gayatri mantras, and in the afternoon, noontime, midday, you should chant your Gayatri mantra. And after sunset, you should do your Gayatri mantra. This is the rule. When we don't follow the rules and regulations properly, then we don't get the results. If we've performed our bhajan for many years, but we have got no result, then have you followed properly the rules and regulations? Then you will get the result.
डिग्री प्राप्ति
or if you want to get 1 degree of a doctor, then you have to get so much, you have to work so hard.
मेहनत करना पड़ेगा, है? उसके सब कुछ त्याग देना पड़ता
You
है,
have to give up everything.
है? मेहनत नहीं करेंगे
If you don't put the effort in
फल के लिए
and try to get the result,
व्याकुलता करेंगे, कैसे हो जाएगा?
how will that possible?
मेहनत करना पड़ेगा,
But you have to put the effort.
है? अपने तो मेहनत नहीं किया,
If
और
you-
गुरु और भगवान को दोष लगाते हैं।
You haven't made the effort yourself and you're blaming your guru. Oh God, the guru hasn't given me a mantra properly.
मंत्र ठीक से जप करो,
First, you chant your mantras properly.
ठीक कर, ठीक मंत्र जप
If you chant your mantra properly and you don't get your fruits,
समझना चाहिए वो गुरु
The-
ठीक नहीं, भगवान ठीक नहीं।
then you have to understand that the guru is not good or the mantra he's given is not good. But first, see yourself, assess yourself.
मंत्र तो सही, ये जो गुरु जो मेरा मंत्र
Today, nowadays, they criticize the guru for giving an important guru. Mantra is given, it's called Sat Siddh. It's self-manifest. It's self-manifest, the mantra. Right. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Self-manifested. Sat Siddh. The mantra has potency in it already. But chanting it properly, you will give the fruits.
मंत्र के हम आपके क्या करना पड़ेगा?
You will have to give effort in this concentration.
आज समझ में
सही समय और सही
At the proper time,
समय के और सब कुछ जैसे मैंने बताया, जैसे
like I said, at the proper time,
त्रिसंध्या करना
the 3 divisions in the day, Mahaprabhu is
वो
saying,
बालक कहने लगे,
that boy said,
मैं तो मंत्र जप
I've done my mantras, but why is there no tilak on your forehead?
तिलक नहीं रहने पर
By not doing tilak while we chant the mantras, then these mantras will not give fruits.
ललाट में तिलक रख करके शुभ कर्म करना चाहिए,
We should wear tilak and perform our devotional activities.
इसलिए मंत्र जप करने के समय क्या करना चाहिए?
So what we should do, and put our mantra, tilak on.
भ्रमण कर रहे हैं, ये तिलक नहीं मिलेगा,
If you cannot find tilak or don't have, then you can do tilak with water.
ये नहीं आपके अवेलेबल है और समय जल तिलक कर दो, ये नहीं।
No, it's not that if you have tilak available and you do water tilak, then that's not acceptable.
ट्रेन में
Just like in the train or flight,
उसमें कहाँ तिलक करें?
where will we get
हमारे
tilak?
तिलक से चला गया, क्या बोले?
In the luggage, chicken, yeah. Like our tilak's gone in the chicken.
तिलक कहाँ से करें? किसे नहीं कहाँ? पानी कहाँ
How?
से?
Where will get water from?
है? तो उस समय क्या करना पड़ता है?
Then what you have to do
है?
with water, a mantra in your mind,
वो तो according to the
time and place and circumstance,
ये नहीं यार, अपने इच्छा के अनुसार
not according to your own desires all the time.
जल तिलक करेंगे, लेकिन गुरुदेव ने कहा दिया,
Oh, Gurudev said you can do tilak, jal tilak, water tilak.
किसने कहा है? According
Why
to
is he saying this? According to your situation or circumstances.
नियम जीता है, according to
Some concession is there.
इमरजेंसी पीरियड में जैसे
Thank you for the
कुछ
sweet
नियम
Chandra.
करा दिए।
Thank you.
इससे
Hare
12 को लगा दिया जाता है, 144 रूल्स लगाए हैं।
144 rules for,
इमरजेंसी पीरियड में
during the emergency period.
उसमें कई नियम होता है।
There are very strict rules in India for emergency period.
पुलिस
The police
रहता है,
will enforce some certain rules are there.
certain time पे।
Yeah, for a short time, certain time,
ये नहीं
circumstance.
है जो नियम बता दे, गुरुदेव ने कहा ये जल
Gurudev
तिलक
said,
करके तिलक करने
put
से
water tilak doesn't mean that all time.
ये नाम तिलक लगाने नहीं है, आलस्य से बात
By laziness, Gurudev.
करो, ठीक है, तुम्हारा नींद टूटता नहीं है,
So he's saying, do your mantras when you can wake up. That is for the lazy person, to bring them in line. Just like to pacify or control a cow, you give them or show them green grass. They will come.
तब पकड़ सकते हो,
Then you will get the cow.
है कि नहीं? और जो गाय और भी ये है उसको क्या करना पड़ता है, पिटाई करना पड़ता है।
That cow is very badly behaved, you'll have to beat
तो ये मतलब नहीं है
or show the stick. It's not that you have to beat them all the time. Circumstances, according to circumstances.
इसी तरह कालो चितन ही कृति उन्नति कृति का तथा पंडित समझ जो है कर्म संपादन करते हैं। इसलिए
For this reason, oh Jugal Sarkar, oh divine couple, please wake up. Go to your respective places and rest there. In this way, the female parrot and the male parrot, they wake up Radha Govinda. One more shlok. Subhanam. The female parrot by the name Shubha. She's saying,
परितवयति सस्वः नन्दताभिमन्दा प्रातः जातं तदपि सरलं कृष्ण नयनं जहासि। अनंतर सारिका कृष्ण के कहने लगी।
the female parrot said to Krishna,
आप जो है सब कुछ त्याग दे करके
please give up everything
घर में जाइए
and go to your home.
क्योंकि
Because
देखो कोई आप लोग के इस प्रकार जो स्नान कर रहे हो,
if somebody sees you like this,
आप लोगों के ऊपर
they will
कलंक लग सकता
they will
है। कलंक समझ
have a blaspheme. They will blaspheme or defame you. Because
आपके फिर करें राधा जी के कार्य में
they're saying for Srimati Radhika,
आप समय पर
please, if you don't arrive home at the appropriate time, then your husband Abhimanyu will be angry with you. Abhimanyu means in Sanskrit Abhimanyu. Abhi means in in all four ways anger. He is the embodiment of anger in all ways. The female parrot is saying your husband's name is Abhimanyu. Abhimanyu means one who is the personification of anger in all circumstances.
Your husband is like the embodiment
of anger. For this reason, you must return back to your home in time, otherwise your husband will be angry with you. And your sister-in-law, mother-in-law will use harsh words, rude words, harsh words to you,
and also they are always looking your
faults.
This is called चित्रान्वेषण। इसलिए आप लोग क्या करें?
So for this reason,
अपवाद के भय से,
being fearful of this criticism,
यह सज्जा को त्याग करके
please wake up, give up your sleep,
आप लोग गृह में
return home.
देखो रात्रि समाप्त हो गया, 8 of night.
The end of night has come.
इसलिए
For this reason,
सरल होकर के
be
छल कपट आदि
without any duplicity. This meaning here in this context, don't be lazy. Give up your tiredness
और होकर के आप अपने
and return to your home.
इस प्रकार
In this way,
सुख और सारी
through the female parrot and the male parrot,
राधा गोविंद की बहुत सुंदर सुंदर
they
उपदेश
gave instruction to Radha and Krishna and Radharani. Radhe Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama Rama Hare Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare
हरि महाराये नमः कृष्ण
Yadvaya Namah Yadvaya Madhavaya Keshvaya Namah Gopal Govinda Ram Madhusudan Gopinath Madana Mohan Hari Guru Vaishnava Bhagavata
जय रूप सनातन भक्त रघुनाथ
Gopala Bhatta Das Raghunath Ishaya Gosai Kari Charana Vanda Jai Ke Vignanas Pavista Pura Ishaya Gosai Jai Mohitara Das Jasavara Padarenu Mora Gunjakas Adire Charana Sevi Bhakta Sanavas Radha Krishna Nitya Lila Karila Prabha Anande Bola Hari Braja Vrindavan Shri Guru Vaishnava Pada Majari Amar Shri Guru Vaishnava Pada Padma Pariyar Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shri Gaur Bhakta-vrinda Hare Krishna Hare Krishna Hare Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Nitai Gaura Hari Bol Nande Hari Hari Bol Jai Shri Gurudev Ki Jai 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 Shri Radhe Shyam Hari Bol